I think it got pretty serious pretty quick. We should probably go. We'll look out for the shit here. Oh, okay. Good morning, viewers of YouTube. My name is Ryan, if you don't know. And last night I left off telling you guys I had a little bit of a cold. It was quite a struggle in the middle of the night. Actually, it was a really, really horrible night because my cold got much worse. Roger, can you do the impression of how I sounded? Just a man who couldn't breathe. I can breathe a little bit now because fresh air and everything, but still not doing too well. But that's not going to stop me from going here. That is Mount Bromo. That is the volcano that we came to this national park to see. And right now, Roger has found a route. It's literally on it's on maps.me as the free route to Bromo. This guy knows about it too. Otherwise, I think it's like $10, which isn't that bad. But yeah, we're gonna go over here. Ready, buddy?
Yes. You how much? Huh? You how much?
Roger's trying to buy a horse. You really got a horse? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that was like really sad. I'm not sure if I approve, you guys. I don't think these horses are treated well. It's a little cold. It's a pretty horse.
Yeah.
The name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Horse is slipping. This is so steep for you. Holy Jesus. Almost there, Ronnie. Run! Yes.
You know horse? Hello, my horse.
No, I walk. Dude, do you got this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's kind of cool to take a horse there, but I think he agreed. Hey, how much did you agree on? 50. Yeah. Like $4? Take my hand.
Yeah, I'm going the other way.
Aww, this is so cute.
Ronnie is my best friend.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, he was struggling.
Yeah, so I was like, okay, quit it.
You were in front when we were going down the hill, but he literally slid down the whole thing, man.
When he
the
was
horse.
just walking, yeah. When I was walking in front of him.
Yeah, it didn't look like something I'd want to participate in. We got ambushed. Everyone wants to take a photo.
Thank you, mister.
Of course,
Thank you very
of course. Roger and our new crew are making our way. Top is so close, but so far. Just gotta climb these stairs now. The stairs of death. Come on, mate.
Oh yeah. Come on, mate.
Careful, careful, careful. You're blocking that lady. Sorry. Oh, he's still going. Oh my. This is cool, man. That is very intimidating. Mr. Mas.
Selfie.
Selfie, we do selfie.
Yeah. Satu lagi.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, where do you come from?
America.
Oh, hi. May I can take a picture with you?
Of course, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, of course, of course.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, now we don't have a railing. god, it's raining lava rock. I've got lava rock all over me and it keeps falling. Gotta get out of here. I think it got pretty serious pretty quick. We should probably go. Everybody's running down. When the drone was in the air, it started like raining lava rock on me.
Here, look at this. It's all red.
Why are you red?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Oh, it's all in my hair.
We're kind of having red hair now.
Is it really red? Man, it was getting in my mouth. I gotta admit, that really frightened me. When stuff was falling on me, like, oh, is it raining? And I look and it's black and I'm like, oh, what the hell is going on? Roger's the main attraction at this volcano. Everyone wants to take a photo with Roger, not the volcano.
Just a second. I have to
What's the matter with
change
you?
my fashion way, you know?
Are you serious, bro? He took a picture of you changing your shoes.
Oh, nice.
Get in there, get in there, get in there. Cute, you guys look adorable. It's probably a really poor decision to come to this volcano. It's really sandy and dusty and there's a lot of lava rock and I'm really sick. Oh, stupid. Roger! He's playing with a horse. Come on, mate. That's not Ronnie. Look at this little guy. He's gonna see a volcano. So young.
See a volcano.
That's very cool. Cool. Have fun. Okay. We made it to the... Woo! Yeah. So today is August 17th, which is Independence Day here in Indonesia. I don't know if all these biker groups are celebrating or what they're doing, but it's pretty cool. Right now we are gonna go get some lunch really quick and then we're gonna catch a bus for $2 to go to the next city. But we have to take a few buses today. It's gonna be kind of a longer day. More, look at this. Woo! Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy here. Super cool. What should I have?
Soup.
One ginger tea, Mia Goreng special.
Nasi goreng special.
Lunch was fantastic. Now we gotta catch the bus. Dude long.
Duurt lang.
Dude long.
Yeah.
My Dutch is actually pretty okay, right?
Yeah.
It's Dutch for you're taking too long. Or, right?
Yeah,
You're taking too long. Dude long. Here we go. Here come the police. Woo! You ready, mate? This is our sweet bus. What should we name her?
Let's call it the first name of my mom, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, what a beautiful name. I love the horn on Elizabeth. Hey dude, can you blow the horn? Blow the horn. Yes. Oh. We got the green hubcaps on this guy. Oh, we got MP3 player. It takes gasoline. Wait, can we go windsurfing? What is this? What is this? What is this? Broken. I like this bus. You can have a key to get in. You can have headphones. You can have lightning mail. There's trash inside. Okay, here we go. Just got off our bus in Probolinggo and now we're going to bus station to go to Bondowoso. How do you say it? Bondowoso. Bondowoso. Okay, we weren't able to get as far east as we had hoped. We have to stay a night here in Bondowoso. We leave at 11 p.m. tonight to drive 2 hours to get to Mount Dijen, and we're gonna hike Mount Dijen at 1 in the morning to get to the top by sunrise to see the blue flames of this volcano. It's gonna be our third volcano that we're hiking at a ridiculous hour, and it's gonna be a crazy night. It's 6:30 right now, so we're gonna go to sleep, and I will see you later this evening.